asked me about doing a tutorial on how to apply the 3D fiber lashes with Younique. And I thought that I would go ahead and do that today. You will have to excuse me, I am having a day off today. No makeup, no nothing. Some of you might have seen my sugar skull makeup that I did last night, and my face is still feeling a little greasy from that, so I didn't apply any foundation or eyebrows. Nothing's done. This is me. They're me. Okay. So when you order your lashes, they will come in a little pouch. I'll put them back in here so you can see what they look like. It's going to come in a little pouch like this. You open it up, and you have two tubes. One is your transplanting gel, and the other is going to be the fibers. First, though, if you can't tell, I have hardly no eyelashes. I do have some remaining eyeliner from my sugar skull makeup that I did last night, but I have virtually no lashes. There's very little there to even work with. So I curl first. You don't have to curl. Some people don't need to curl because they have long, beautiful eyelashes naturally. I do not. So I curl first. And I don't know that I'm going to be able to use this as a mirror. So let me see what I have in here. This might work here. Because everything is backwards when I'm doing it in the computer. So let me use two hands. Since I have very little eyelash, I have to kind of pull down and up at the same time. Get them in there without pinching. Okay. So you just kind of do each side. I hold for 20 to 30 seconds, and that's usually good enough. You may hear the kids playing in the background. I may fast forward this a little bit. Pull down the... I always have to pull down my bottom lashes just a little so that I can get on the very edge. Everybody kind of has their own techniques they use. Good enough, I suppose. Okay, so I like to go ahead and open up those tubes. Oops, got a little fiber here. You will see, if you've never seen our fibers before, they come out and they kind of look like this. You can see, kind of fuzzy. Looks like a hairy wand. And then this is the transplanting gel. And I pull out a little slowly, just to not get caught. Sometimes it kind of clumps up there on the edge, which you can do this here. And then, you know, put this on just like mascara. You start on either eye. Go all the way to the base of the eyelash. Kind of back and forth. Get a little bit on the tip. And the inside here. If you're like me and you have hardly no eyelashes, the inside is always really hard. And you may get a little on your eye, but it's really not that hard to get off. And after you do this a few times, it actually gets easier and easier. You can kind of just do what you need to do to cover the eyelash completely. Some people put a coat of regular mascara on. I have not tried that. I don't know if it would make a difference or not. It just seems like one extra step, and I don't have that time. So usually I'm doing this at work in the mirror because mascara is my last thing to go on. So then, switch and get your fibers, which I only switch just for the ease, so I just kind of leave them in my hand right here. Grab the fibers. Some people just kind of, you can kind of do this to get any little bit that might be flaking off. Now, the first time I did this, I had the instinct to tip my head back and apply the fibers to the entire lash, which you do not need to do, and you will likely get flakes in your eye, which this is all natural, so it doesn't hurt, it doesn't burn, it doesn't sting. You might just kind of have to, work that little lash out, that little piece of fiber out, but since doing it a few times, I kind of learned, go ahead and do it to just the tips, which I should have done this faster because this is already almost dry. You want to do the second step fairly quick, because you want the transplanting gel to still be wet. Excuse me. For those of you that know me, I have 4 kids. 3 of them are at home today, so we may get an interruption or two. So, this actually could have been a little bit better if I wasn't yabbing my mouth. I could have put that on faster, but you can already see. Sorry for the up the nose shot, but you can already see the difference. So then, what I do, I go on to the next eye. I let that dry for just a sec. It's going to look kind of fuzzy, like your eyelashes are fuzzy, but that's okay. We're just going to leave it. So we're going to go in and do our next eye here. Same thing, coat your lash completely from the base of the lash. I like to spin the wand outwards as I'm applying. Sorry, I'm trying to do this best so you guys can see what I'm doing. You can get more if you need. And I find that the slower I go, the nicer it looks. I know we don't all have an eternity to spend on putting mascara on, so sorry, I'm trying not to block with. Remember, now just the tips here. You can see, kind of fuzzy, kind of clumpy, kind of, not even that bad though, but if once you get your second coat going here, this is really where they start to transform. It kind of makes that fuzziness go away. And you can't put too much of this on. I mean, you can play with it, get it to the desired length. I could even go another step further and do another coat here, do a second coat to make them longer and fuller, but I am not going to do that. Sometimes I do 2 coats for work. It does look really pretty when you have 2 coats on, I think. If you have longer natural eyelashes, you might just need 1. You might find that's a good place that you like to be. And I can say that usually this does not happen, but I'm kind of at a weird angle here trying to look in the mirror and make sure you guys can see as well. Okay, so I'm going to just push these back on. This is where I typically go and do my bottom lashes, but I'm not going to do that. perfect, but really, you don't even have to do this, especially on this side because this side's looking good right now. This one needed a little work over here on the outside edge. And that really just takes a couple seconds, but you can see. Sorry for the up the nose shot. I don't know how else to. Okay, I have like no lashes, so this really helps them be full, long. And I just love it. So there's my little tutorial. It's not the best. I know there's a ton of background noise. But that's it for anybody interested in trying the lashes. If you go on my website, you can order through me.